Open the main switch system start. Switch the language to the appropriate language. Marking text. Click on the text to fix the text. Click on Edit to enter the contents of the marking. Click OK. Select the font. Default is a single line font. You can choose the double line font. Click OK. Change the size of the font to change the end. Click OK. Click on the center to place the dot. Click on the fill to fill the font color. Click OK. Start marking. The U disk inserted. Click on the picture. Click USB to open the picture location. Open the file. Click on the picture. Click USB to open the picture location. Open the file. Select the type of open file vector: DXF, PLT, bitmap, JPEG, PNG, BMP. To open the file, find the vector image to be printed. Click OK. Modify the size of the picture. Click the marking. Start marking. The plug and charger connection, respectively, into the input port and switch interface. Charging. The indicator green light. Charging is complete.